5 ways to strike urgency for more conversions. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Persuade people to take action by subscribing to a newsletter or making an online purchase, and the best way ahead of you is to create urgency for conversions. Let's discuss the proven ways to increase your sales funnel conversion. If people land on your website and see a profitable offer available for a limited period, they want to get it at the earliest, else it might be missed. Countdown timer reminds people that time is slipping from their hands and the sale is coming to an end sooner. You need to show through your website that your products are on high demand and popular. When people reach to the end section, they see statements like, "Do not miss out," "Subscribe to our newsletter," "Only a few days are left." They get very excited to take further steps to get what is being written. Words like, "Hurry up," "Now," "Immediately," can instill urgency in you to purchase or do what you want them to. Increase your sales funnel conversion now with Propel Guru. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel for more updates.